so far, sorry about that the delay, but this is how it is right now. So a reball. Just take some sort of detail and just simply put them on the hole like this, right? The ones that stick up with one another, you're gonna simply put it back in line. So we just simply line them up like that. Like that. You just keep on going until you find everything in its place. Right. So you keep on searching. You see there's a couple up there. So you just take your solder balls and you just line them up. When you're done, I'll show you how everything lines up with me. Just give me a little bit. I just had to put some solder balls in and stuff. Okay. Ooh, that went in good. Went in real good. Okay. Solder balls. Come on. Okay, go inside here. Excellent. Now, there is There's a frustration about reballing. It takes a lot of patience and time to get this thing done. It's all about getting each ball in the hole. So we have about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have about 6 of them. Let's see how fast we could get in. So we could get to the fun part, which is soldering. Just waiting for this thing to cooperate on me right now. Right. You know what's frustrating is that I don't have my vertical tweezer to get this done. It's basically my angle tweezer. So that's how it's out there. It's pretty much frustrating. You know, so just to get those things in here. Pretty much it. You have one more ball to put in. That's it. Okay, so all the balls are in, as you can see. Basically, now just a lift and get up the mark. And by the way, this is an indirect heat jig I'm using. Normally it is the direct heat, but direct heat is so frustrating. So now just for me to align and remove. Okay. Just to make sure everything is in position. So removal of the jig. Waiting for the removal propel, but the sound doesn't want to cooperate with me. So you just have to keep on working it. Like I said, stick up there. You don't want to walk with me. So and actually force them out. Okay. One here giving me some trouble. Alright, so the objective is to have it everything removed in one go. Now to just put some heat on it. Get that. So there. Okay. I do not use this type of nozzle on the device like this. So temperature I use when I turn it on. Right? Water pressure is at 2, as you can see. I crank this up to 350. Wait for it to thing. And you'll see how all these solar balls is going to jump right into it. So let's begin. Basically warm flux up like that. Okay, just warm it up, and then very slowly you just apply heat like this. As you can see, all the balls are attaching itself. And we have a problem with one. Don't ever just stick on one spot. Continue until you see fit. That's how it goes. So, once that gives trouble, all you simply do is alright, almost attached. So we'll just apply more heat to that now. So let's continue. Go to the center. Now, I'm not using king bow here. I was using Armtech, the reballing flux, because I don't have king bows yet. King bows in the country, but I found how to practice with the Armtech so far. And this is not tacky flux. This is regular solid flux. And I found out that, proper timing, proper page, and whatnot, you'll get flux to tack on like nobody's business. So I'm giving trouble to stick on. Right? It's hard to do this kind of work with just do it just one hand, Somebody takes a two-hand process, but because I have nobody to help me out here, I do this with two hands. Sorry, one hand. Alright? That's it. That is how you reball GPU. It took me months of practice of getting it right. Yeah. Alright, so that's a tedious process I get in the BGA done. On the Xbox 360. Yeah, the process is just simple. Put flux on it, thin just like that. line the chip up, put the bottom heater on. This time we're doing the bottom heater at 220 up according to your liking, not to the point that it will burn the memory underneath. The top heater will go at the thermocoupler lead melts at 180, so probably about 210 will be ideal. Pretty solid to liquefy. Alright, so this is mod 1 type of speaking. Thank you for watching.